And then with your thumb, you wrap the wool round your thumb. And put the needle through there. And wrap the other piece of wool round there. And take that. And you've got a stitch. That's 2 stitches.
Yeah.
Wool round thumb. On the needle. Wrap the wool round the needle. And then take that off.
And then...
Right? And you do that so you've got enough stitches. So I think we'll have 10. Can you count to 10?
Yes.
4,
4, 5,
5,
6.
Wait a minute, let's make a 6.
7.
no, this is
This
7.
is
I haven't got
7
that
now.
on yet. That's 7, 8,
No, this is 8.
9.
9, that's 9. Watch carefully.
This is the last one, 10. Okay?
I think you said 5. Look
Okay.
at X.
An X, yes. Anybody
Can you
want to
see?
try?
That's the first line.
Right, that's casting on.
Or